Today we're going to look at special cases of solving quadratics. Simple quadratics, not doing the hard ones, only the simple ones. Previously done a video with this type of situation. Now we've got something missing. In this case here we don't have the number by itself. We refer to the number by itself as a constant. It's a constant because it doesn't change. 6 is there all the time in that question. This one doesn't have a constant. Both of these have the letter X in them. So the most common type of factorising, I always have a play on words. There's so many ways to explain this. Common factors. Both of them have an X, so the X can go outside. So what's left inside the bracket? X times what is X squared? There's an X. X times what is 4X? The X has gone outside, we're left with just a 4. So our two answers are either the first one equals 0 or the second one equals 0. Why is that true? Because we're doing multiplication here. Factorise means put a multiplier in, which we've just done. Either that one is true or that one is true. That's obvious. If we take 4 from both sides, we've got X is minus 4. This has got common factors in it. How can you tell it's a common factor? It doesn't have extra numbers. This one has the constant in it, but it doesn't have the middle term. So if you want, you can write it as, there's so many ways of explaining this. I'm going to put plus 0x minus 100 equals 0. One way of thinking about it. We want two numbers that multiply to 100 that add up to 0. One of them has to be negative, so they've got to be different. So 10 times negative 10 would be the 10. When we add them up, we get the 0. How can I get an X squared? We're back to the two bracket system. I've got an X and an X, I've got a 10 and a 10, and one of them has to be negative. Not both of them, but one of them has to be negative. So what have I got for my two solutions now? I've got X minus 10 equals 0, or I've got X plus 10 equals 0. And we could show all the steps, plus 10, plus 10. You got X equals 10, or you got X is minus 10. Now if you go back to here, this answer here is just the opposite of that minus 10. Will that always work? Only if this says X. So later on we'll come back to when it says 2X or 3X and have a look at it. So special cases, the type with a number missing, the type with a middle number missing. There's one last thing we could do on this. If I wrote that as plus 100 plus 100, I've got X squared equals 100. And what are the two what number multiplies by itself to give us 100? Could be a 10, or it could be minus 10. So there's a nice little shortcut that you can do it instead, but this is important. Thank you.